Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to find images for our graphic design using Google Lens. Okay, so here in my photos I already have some images and designs I already saved. So we're just going to search for the design resources in these images using Google Lens. I'll just start with this image. I'll click on the Google Lens icon there to activate it, and you see it's immediately activated, and then it shows me similar search results of the image I just searched for online. And then you can see the image there that I opened. Let's just try this another image. Yeah, this design here. Once I click on the icon, you see that it immediately gives the accurate result of the exact image used as a background for that design. So it's really helpful. Let's just check for this image. Immediately I click on the icon. Sometimes you may not get, like in this situation, you may not get the accurate results. So what you have to do is to click on the icon at the right hand side, and then when you have this kind of like selector where you can crop the image, and once you crop, you see that it actually gives me the right result now, and then I can get the image online. And then you can go to the website, you can visit the website and then download the image directly from the website. So it's a really cool feature, really cool feature. So that is how it works. That's how it works for this thing. I'll just check for this next image here. This is a design I did. You can just open, and then let's just I'll follow the same method that I used last time, and you see that it doesn't give me accurate results. Sometimes it's like this. So you just have to like keep searching, or you keep cropping, but sometimes you might get similar results like in this case. So if you want more accurate results, you can still crop and see if you'll be able to find it online, but then it's still really decent, the fact that you can get similar designs. And once you open the web page, you see that you get more search results once you open the link. So just keep searching like this, and then you might just find the original image that you're looking for. I'll just search for the flowers at the bottom there. I think I got them online. I can't remember the website, but let's just see if we can find them. Okay, it's none of these ones. Let's see if we can crop and find it again. Still none of these. Okay, I think that's the image, the first one. I think that's the image there. So it's one of these images, I think the first one. So that's it. So if you keep searching like this, you get decent results like that. So that's how it works. And this is just a background I did for a design. If you search randomly, sometimes you might not just get the exact results, so you have to use that feature at the right hand side where you're able to just crop out the part you want to search for. And then I think I'll get this thing now. I got this picture from freepik.com, so I think I'll get the accurate result if I search well. Okay, yeah, that's it there. That's the accurate result of the image I used for that background. I just edited it and added some styles to it. And then this is a design I did for a barbing salon. So you just see how it works. Like it finds the exact image of the gamepad I used for that design. And I'll try for this last image and we'll conclude this video. Okay, yeah, it just shows us pictures of wristwatches, and let's search for the background there. Let's see if we can see. Okay, now we don't get the exact image, but let me tell you how you can use this to your own benefit. You just search for the name. Once you see the name of like this bridge, once you see the name of this bridge, you can just search for the pictures online, and then you get a decent one and edit it for your own use. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram group and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.